tubes. You know, as most of you know, I don't like two-cycle stuff, but I'm making an exception in this case. Previous video, I saw where I got this trimmer. It was given to me along with this Toro lawnmower. I changed the primer bulb, and the fuel lines were bad. I replaced the fuel lines. I had this these fuel lines here. I had them left over from something, and I had this one left over from something. This one here, it seemed to eat them, but this other one, it didn't. So I'm also on that Troybilt that's over there. It needs a new carburetor, so I ordered this carburetor, and it came with some new fuel lines, some primer bulbs, and your specialized adjustment screw. So I can use the fuel lines on this, and then I'm going to use the carburetor on that over there. But I had to use the throttle cable from that Troybilt, and I put it on the Murray. The Murray new throttle cable is coming in the mail in a little bit, so I won't necessarily be able to test the Troybilt right now. But so this video is going to be just replacing a fuel line on this Homelite weed eater. So we're going to take this cover off. Probably don't need to do that, but just like that. I've already drained the fuel out of the fuel tank, and we're going to, this line's bad, so we're gonna, and I've replaced these over and over again with the line I had, and they kept on either breaking here or breaking up at the top, and just seems to be that they are just very poorly made. They did work on my on another piece of equipment, so whatever. So you gotta kind of reach in here, kind of, and grab it. Well, at least this time the fuel filter stayed on, and you just pull it through. So most of the time it doesn't. So I'm gonna just take this fuel filter off like so. Now, to put new fuel line in, to get it to go through the hole on the top of the tank, that's, you can't see it. There's a hole there. Hopefully this is the right size. They come in different size, and it looks like it is. To get it to go through the hole, let's first of all make sure that it'll fit onto this. Yeah, I think that'll fit. It'll be a little bit snug, but yeah. So you cut this at an angle. Maybe like that, so that you can push it through. And there's actually a piece of fuel line in there. So you see the hole there? That's where it's going to go. Carefully put it in. Got it. Went in. Then you're going to want to take some pliers or whatever you have. If you put it in, so you can grab that. With some those pliers. Keep pushing it in. Now you're gonna cut this again. This time you want to cut it square. And you're gonna want to put your fuel filter on. It's weighted so it follows where it isn't goes in the tank. Now hopefully we can get this. There we go. And just drop it in the tank. You kind of want to put it where it was before. It'll follow with gravity, and you want to leave a little bit of leeway, and it goes here. So cut it to about, cut it about right there. Save the remainder for something else that I might need it in. Actually, I probably made it too long. Darn it. But that's okay. I can always cut a little bit off. Just a little bit off the top. So you get the idea. Push the fuel line on. Again, this is longer than probably what I need, but that's so if I need to cut it, I can. And that's it. Let me just go fill this up with some 2-cycle gas, and let's see how it goes. 2-cycle gas here. I just poured this out of another piece of equipment. This 2-cycle gas has a little color to it, so you can tell. It's either going to be red or blue is usually how I've seen it. Let's just stop there. Just an old mason jar. And let's prime her up and see how it goes. This is a primer bulb I just replaced. It's filling up, which means the lines aren't crossed. Let me go start this. That's a good sign. Well, that's how you add a fuel line with the fuel filter on it. The other line is similar, it's the return line. If you reverse them, the primer will not fill up, and that means you've just got to flip the order. Later, tubes.